further the automation process, we can upload our designs directly from Inventor to Configurator 360. Once the design has been uploaded to Configurator 360, you see we can move the design between different product catalogues. We can assign different admin users and even adjust the parameters. From here we can set limits, read-only options, or we can use the forms set up in our iLogic model. The design can then be opened in a web-based platform such as Internet Explorer or Google Chrome, and here both CAD users and non-CAD users can manipulate and view the model as if it were inside of Inventor itself. Once the model has been configured to the user's required design, outputs can be given, things like step files, bill of materials. Here you will see the bill of material opening straight up in Excel, and even the description creating an automated cut list based on the new sizes chosen by the end user. We also have various BIM outputs such as RFAs and IFCs, and even Inventor assembly model outputs. All of these can be changed and assigned to different user groups. So if you only wanted to give a user PDF access, this is possible. Here you will see from the PDF that the drawing has updated both dimensionally and informationally, again showing us this automated cut list and removing dimensions from the top that are no longer required. Multiple configurations can be made of that model, and the limits adhered to in the iLogic rules. You'll see that this model is not allowed to change above 1500 mil. And again, we can take another PDF download from this along with DXFs and JPEGs, and you'll see this time that the countertop dimensions have been added, and again the bill of material information